Scorpios, welcome back to this channel. And in case if you're new over here, then hello, my name is Tarusha Saxena and I welcome you to my beautiful world of tarot. On this channel, Scorpios, you are going to find weekly and monthly zodiac readings like this one. You are also going to find fun picker card readings about your love, marriage, career, relationships, finances, health, life, and so much more. So, in case Scorpios, if these topics interest you, which I'm sure they do, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications about my upcoming videos. Now, disclaimer Scorpios, that this reading is an absolutely general reading for Scorpios for this upcoming week. And in case if it does not resonate with you, don't forget to check out my other zodiac readings for upcoming week as per your sun, moon, rising, and Venus signs. And the last disclaimer is that this reading is an absolutely general reading. Okay, this is a timeless reading because timing is fluid. So, my dear Scorpio, you will come across this reading only when you're meant to watch it, irrespective of date, month, and time of the year when you watch it. It will be applicable for you for that upcoming week. All right, Scorpios, so let's see what's in store for you. Let's see. Scorpios. Ooh, the Justice card. We start with the Justice, the energy of justice. Page of Pentacles. We start with the Six of Rods. Let's see what's up. Let's see what's more. Scorpios. Three of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, Five of Swords. Okay, there is a lot of sword energy going on over here. Temperance, we have the Four of Swords, we have the Ace of Cups. Overall energy is Chariot, and we have, okay, so we have two energies over here. All right, Scorpios, just a second. By the way, in the background, in case if you're hearing some disturbing sound, it is some construction going on in my next building, next apartment, so please just bear with the noise and unavoidable circumstances. All right, Scorpios, let's get started. So, Scorpios, first of all, I would start with the beginning of the week. Overall, however, as I said, everything I see is all about mentally what you're going through in terms of few decisions, in terms of few disappointments, in terms of some kind of mental exertion, and also about rejuvenating yourself, taking a break. All right. So, Scorpios, what I see for you is that the first initial few days of this week, the upcoming week, is going to be like wherein, you kind of, will be trying to do a balancing game between what is your mind saying and what you're actually doing. Okay, so you'll need to be doing some balancing act over there. Ensure that you don't, go against the balance between what you are thinking and what you're doing. There has to be that balance between the both of them. All right, I also see that you are going to be feeling very creative because both these cards have a very creative energy to them, especially the red color in these two cards is standing so out, so much prominently out. And of course, the Page of Pentacles has a very creative energy to itself. So I definitely feel that you are going to be feeling very creative in this week. I also feel that if in case if you are a lawyer, if you are anything to do with maybe an auditing work, or if you are kind of, if you are a like a judge or something, then you have some financial gains coming your way. You also are reaching a victory, some kind of victory, or you're reaching, in case if there's a case that you have been fighting for, you can expect victory and good news from that aspect. So financial gain as well as heading towards a victory or something good and concrete in that aspect. I would also like to tell you that yeah, if you're in that case, in that situation, you are definitely, you can expect financial gain and some kind of victory. Also the balancing act, as I told you, is something that you will be doing in the first week of August. Also coming to the mid August, what I see for you is that there is some kind of mid-week of August is going to be a very happening time for you, is what I feel, because there is, you know, you are going to be putting in a lot of hard work into something that you have fixed your mind on. All right, so there is something that you would be working on, you know, some kind of work project, job, or a relationship that you will be working on that. And you know, you have carved out beautiful plans in those, in that aspect. And you would already be, you know, in the middle of working on that. All right, and you will be working very hard on that particular matter. However, while you are working hard on that matter, there could be some disappointments that might come your way. All right, wherein you may have some expectations from certain people, and they may not be as per your expectations, or they may not do the work, or they may not come forward as per your expectations. Like if you were banking on somebody for some kind of support, they might back out, or things like that. So there will be some kind of disappointments in that regard, and either you may have to stall that project, or things might get a little delayed in that aspect, is what I feel. But nonetheless, my suggestion is that you continue and carry on with whatever it is, because try not to depend on too many people as possible. Also, towards the end of the week, what I see is that this particular thing, whatever is happening with you in the midweek, is kind of going to affect you a little, because these disappointments that you are going to be facing in the middle of the week, all right, are going to kind of put you on a back foot, because they will disturb you to some limit, all right, to some extent, because the kind of people who you are expecting from were people who you had really high expectations from. And you know, these circumstances and situations have really put you into, like, you know, second thoughts about everything, whether it is about them, about the situation, or even about the fact that why did you even expect things from them, why did you even let the situation happen to yourself, why did you even approach them for this particular thing, kind of a thing. So you are not only going to question and trying to understand things from their point of view, but you will more try to understand the situation from your point of view, that where did you go wrong, why did you let this thing happen to yourself, all right, which by the way is a very good thing. Because also I see that, you know, with this temperance energy, I see that of course temperance is telling you that there is some kind of, you know, backing off, that people are going to back off, one. Number two, you will try to, you know, kind of try to find a balance between what is going on inside you, and you know, what are the repercussions with the things happening around you and the things happening inside you, and you will try to link them, trying to find the reasons, balances, and try to stabilize everything inside you and everything that is outside you. All right, so there is that kind of balance that you will try to strike, and bring about this kind of lesson into your personality and into your life, so that going forward you don't make these mistakes. And this particular experience is also going to make you, you know, somewhere spiritually inclined and also grow. You would also take time out to, you know, to kind of take a break, rejuvenate yourself, because over here the last week, the last phase of this week, upcoming week, I see that you're going to go into some kind of introspective mood. You deliberately will take a break, which I think is a very good idea after some disappointments. And when you're taking time to rethink about everything that you have been doing, it is a great idea to take a break, rejuvenate yourself, recharge yourself, and then gear up back, because there is something that you really love which is going to be fulfilled. A wish of your heart is going to be fulfilled very, very soon, Scorpios. That too, by the end of the week, by the end of coming week, a wish of your heart is going to be fulfilled. This wish of your heart could be something related to this particular job opportunity, which kind of got stalled because of this particular situation or people. All right, it could be anything. It could be a relationship, it could be you know, your job, career related thing, it could be anything that you have been waiting for. Because I also see that with the energy of 10 of rods, your wait is going to be over very, very soon. So if you have been waiting for anything to come through since a long time, congratulations, because you don't have to wait for too long. Your wait is going to be over soon, so the wish of your heart is going to be coming true. Also, the overall energy for you which has come out is the Chariot. All right, so again, the Chariot and the Justice energies are very interesting energies, because it is all about, like, you know, balancing act. So I see a lot of balancing energy for you in this week, especially in the initial week for you. I also see some kind of travel coming through for you, some kind of travel definitely coming. So it could be, you know, a shift in your life, a shift in your perception, a shift in your thought process, a shift in your career, maybe like if you're in a job, then you might leave a job and start looking out for another job. If you were in a job, you might leave the job and get into business, or vice versa. You can totally change your career field. For example, if you were into banking, you will leave banking and come into events field, just an example. All right, you may have to change your city or country or state, or you may be shifting a house. There is a major shift happening with you. All right, and this shift is going to be happening in the next there is a major shift coming for you, by the way, and the effects of this major shift is going to last anytime between 5 to 6 months to an year. All right, and it's going to be an interesting shift. It could, once again I'm repeating, it could also be a major shift in your thought process and thinking perceptions in life, so it could be any kind of change, but there is definitely some change, some shift coming your way. Also with the energy of Knight of Cups, it is coming to you very, very fast. Now let's see what are the messages from your ancestors and angels to guide you through this week. What guidance do they want to give you for this week, Scorpios? Your ancestors and your angels, guidance for this week. Okay, all right, so we have these 3 cards. So the first guidance coming your way is see beyond the current situation. They're asking you to see beyond the current situations, means that if something is going wrong over here, okay, don't be let down by these disappointments. All right, take your time. Anyways, you're going to be doing the right thing, which is introspection, looking into what things went wrong from your end, so that you can rectify it, understand the whole scenario, and take better steps next time forward. So see beyond the current situation is your first message from your ancestors. The second message is let go of the need to be right. You need to let go of the need to be right, because by hook or by crook, sometimes you need to do what you need to do. All right, so let go of the need to be right. The last message for you is trust in the higher forces. So trust in the higher forces and carry on, because by the end of the week, you are going to get a wish of your heart fulfilled. So these disappointments should not put you down, because trust in the higher forces, because they are going to work you towards rewarding you with the fulfillment of your wish of your heart. All right, so Scorpios, this was your reading for this upcoming week. All right, and in case if it does not resonate with you, don't forget to check out my other zodiac readings for this week as per your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs. All right, and do remember that you will come across this reading only when you are meant to watch it, my dear Scorpio, irrespective of date, month, time and year. All right, it will be applicable for you for that particular week. Okay, all the best, Scorpios. I will see you very, very soon in my second week's video. All right, until then, do take very good care of yourselves. Stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.